Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will review the Chase Sapphire Preferred card's grocery benefits. We'll explore how this popular travel card performs when it comes to your everyday grocery spending. Many people wonder if it's truly worth using for groceries, given its other strong categories. I'll help you understand the earning potential and whether it aligns with your spending habits so you can maximize your rewards. Let's dive into the earning rates for groceries with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Generally, you'll earn 1 point per dollar on most grocery store purchases. However, it's important to note that Chase sometimes offers limited-time promotions or specific categories that provide higher earning rates, like 3 points per dollar on online grocery orders. Always check your current offers to maximize your rewards, as these can significantly boost your point accumulation. So, is the Chase Sapphire Preferred truly worth it for groceries? While it's a fantastic card for travel and dining, its standard grocery earning rate of 1 point per dollar isn't the highest. Many other cards offer 2, 3, or even 5 points per dollar on groceries. Therefore, if maximizing grocery rewards is your top priority, you might consider pairing it with a dedicated grocery card. It shines brightest for its sign-up bonus and travel benefits. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is an excellent all-around travel card, and while its grocery earning isn't its strongest suit, it's still a solid option, especially with online grocery bonuses. For optimal rewards, consider using it for its primary categories like dining and travel, and perhaps a different card for consistent high grocery earnings. Remember to check the description for links to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you save time and money. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.